So any variable that you declare without assigning a value to it will be an undefined variable. All right. Okay, so that would be an undefined variable. So for us to now get a variable that is defined, we need to assign a value to it. Now from here, we now talk about different data type in what? In JavaScript. We said that there are different data type. One of them is what? A string. That anything inside a double quote and a single quote are string. So take for example, we say const name equals to John. Sir, you said something?
No, I'm repeating what you're saying.
Okay. Yeah, so const name will be equal to John, and then we say const age, for example, age. Let's look for something that is a string. School or location. Let's say location. So I'll say log, and then I'll say equal to, okay, and then I'll say Mozambique. Okay, I'll say London. Okay, I'll call it London. Then now I want to use a single quote, so I'll say London like this. Okay, now let's console log the name and the location, right? Like this. Okay, like this and like this. So, and then let's change this to what? Log, like this. Okay, and then let's run the code. Let's run our code. That will give us, you see, so it's giving us John and London. Why is this possible? Because we are what? A string, a double quote and a single quote are all string in JavaScript. All right.